New guardrails to secure Singapore's energy supply and protect consumers. The Energy Market Authority plans to secure power generation capacity, strengthen the country's gas supply against disruptions, and tighten rules around the retail electricity market. Trade and Industry Minister Gan Kim Yong announced the measures at the Singapore International Energy Week. Sherry Look has the details.
The energy market is facing what's been called a perfect storm, a lethal combination of volatile energy prices, power disruptions, and fossil fuel shortages.
The emergency measures that EMA implemented have stabilized the market for now. However, this is unlikely to be the last energy crunch we will face. The global clean energy transition will also not a plain sailing one, and we can expect continued volatility going forward.
Under earlier crisis measures to secure the country's gas supply, generation companies had to maintain sufficient fuel and use a standby fuel facility to guard against supply disruptions. These provisions are now here to stay in a move that's cheered companies.
Currently, it's really a pain point, really a challenge for all the market players to get enough stable gas supply, especially when we are faced with some depletion of the pipe natural gas into Singapore.
The government's also taking a centralised approach to facilitate private investments in new power generation with a competitive tender. No new capacities can be planted outside this process. Steps are also being taken to protect consumers. With stricter regulations for energy retailers, only those with the means to withstand some degree of volatility can enter the market.
We are mindful that these adjustments will reduce the flexibility of some market participants. Generation companies cannot plant new capacity as they wish. Consumers may have fewer retailers to choose from. However, these measures will bring about a stronger and more secure power system.
The Energy Market Authority will consult industry players and members of the public over the next few months. They'll progressively roll out these enhancements in 2023. More details will be hammered out then, such as how to protect consumers from retailers who prematurely terminate contracts.
There may be no guarantee that future contracts would be able to be provided at similar rates or equivalent, but at least not to suddenly move into something that's going to force them to change their lifestyles or their business operating conditions.
Dr. Broadstock cautions that moving forward, the government will need to toe the line between limiting risk and making business unviable.